Hello children, welcome to today's session. Today you are going to learn a new topic, transversal. What is transversal? You might have seen a road crossing two or more roads or a railway line crossing many other lines. This gives an idea of transversal. Let us check what is the definition of a transversal. Okay. A line that intersects two or more lines at distinct points is called a transversal. What is the meaning of this transversal? In this picture, what are the lines? Can you say how many lines are there in the picture? Three lines are there. L is a line, M is another line, and these two lines intersect at two or more points. That is, P is another line. Okay, L, M are two lines and another line that intersects at distinct points. Another line is M. Sorry, P. This P is known as transversal. Okay, then many new terms are introduced here. Everything is important and try to understand and study properly. So, first one is interior angles. All of you know what is angle, how angles are formed, etc. Is it? Here, how many angles are there in the picture? 8 different angles are there. We named it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That are the 8 angles. When two lines are cut by a transversal, these 8 angles are formed and its names are important. First one is interior angle. Interior angle, the word meaning interior is inside. Is it? So, what are the interior angles from the figure? Interior. Inside angles are 3, 4, 5, 6 are interior, inside of this transversal. So, 3, 4, 5, 6 are known as interior angles. So, it is very clear that what is exterior angle? Exterior means the outside angle. What are the outside angles are there in the figure? 1, 2 is outside, 7, 8 also outside. Clear? Interior means inside, exterior means outside. Interior angles are 3, 4, 5, 6. Exterior angles are 1, 2, 7, 8. Okay. Then another one, pair of corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. That means angle 1, its corresponding angle is angle 5 according to the position. Angle 1 corresponds to angle 5. Angle 2 corresponds to angle 6. Angle 3 corresponds to angle 7 and angle 4 corresponds to angle 8. That is corresponding angle. Okay. Then another one, pair of alternate interior angles. Alternate. Alternate means if one angle is this side, another angle will be other side. That is alternate. And also it must be interior. Already we studied what are the interior angles. So alternate interior means this side and this side. So what are the angles? Angle 3 and angle 6 are alternate interior. Angle 4 and angle 5 are alternate interior. Such a way, exterior angles also there. Pair of alternate exterior angles. So, one is this side and other is this side, but it must be alternate. One is this and other is here. So, 1 and 8 are alternate exterior angle. Same way, 2 and 7 also alternate exterior angle. And last one is pair of interior angle on the same side of transversal. Pair of interior angles. What are the interior angles? That already we studied. 3, 4, 5, 6 are the interior angles. And on the same side of the transversal. Transversal means this line P. And same side here or here. What are the same side angles here? 3 and 5 are on the same side of the transversal. Is it? And 4 and 6 are same side of the transversal. But it is interior also. So I hope all of you understood these new terms and this one we need for doing problems also. Okay. Another transversal is here. From the figure itself you can understand that L and M are parallel lines, is it? So this is the case of transversal of two parallel lines. Okay. So if two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, many properties also there. That is very important properties. So we can discuss one by one. So first property is that each pair of corresponding angles are equal. This holds only in the case of parallel lines are cut by a transversal. That always you need to remember. Each pair of corresponding angles are equal. Already we studied what are the corresponding angles. Is it? So angle 1 and angle 5 are equal. Okay, angle 3 and angle 7 are equal. Such a way, all the corresponding angles must be equal if two parallel lines are cut by a transversal. That is first property. Second property, each pair of alternate interior angles are equal. What are the alternate interior angles? That already we discussed alternate interior angles are angle 3 and angle 6 that is equal. Okay, if this measurement is 120 degree, angle 6 also 120 degree, that is equal. Then third property is each pair of interior angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary. Already we studied what is supplementary. If we are adding two angles, its sum is 180 degree, that is known as supplementary angle. So each pair of angles on the same side of the transversal. So what are the angles? Angle 3 and angle 5. If we are adding, we will get a 180 degree. And angle 4 plus angle 6 also 180 degree. That is supplementary. So these three properties are very important and this holds only in the case of two parallel lines are cut by a transversal. So now we discussed what is transversal and what are the angles formed there and different names also. Interior angle, exterior angle, alternate interior, same side of the transversal. Many such new terms also introduced here. So I hope all of you understood. So study well. Thank you.